So we have this equation, right, for the height of the ramp and the horizontal distance from the ramp, from the center of the ramp, right? So what is the maximum height of this ramp, right? So the maximum will occur on the vertex of this quadratic relation here, okay? And that happens on the y-axis, or in this case, the h-axis, right? So when we do this, so this happens when we intersect at the h-axis. So that happens when d is equal to 0. So when d is equal to 0, you get h is equal to 1.5. Okay, so this is going to be our max, right? And then it's going to be pointing downwards like so, right? So then for part A, the maximum height is 1.5 meters. And for the total horizontal distance, right, we need to calculate the zeros for this. If you use a graphing calculator, you'll figure out that the value is going to be very close to 4.7 and minus 4.7. So it's going to look something similar to this, okay? So that means the total horizontal distance, right? Because this is from the center of the ramp, is going to be 4.7 plus 4.7. So you end up getting, right, the distance d horizontal is going to be, right, 9.4 meters wide, okay?